Hi friends, welcome to our plant-based channel, plant-based cooking with WannaBee chef. So today what we're making is a raw papaya salad, and actually mine is not completely raw. I have just cut it up into, let's say, really long strips, like something like this, just to show you what they look like. Is like this. And I have an Asian pear that I cut up in the same size, something like this, the Asian pear. So this salad could either take pears and papaya, or you could do apple and cucumbers, just kind of whatever you have in the house. So I'm using Asian pear and papaya. And this is the green leaves that you see here, a good amount of cilantro, and a little bit of chopped green chili for that kick. And if you're not used to eating green chilies, you could just omit that. So what we're gonna do here is toss our salad. Look at the beautiful color it gets, just very gently. So this would be, I would say, like a medium raw papaya. Mine was not completely raw. It was green on the outside, but it actually turned out to be pretty good in taste, okay? All I did was peel the papaya, cut it into long strips like these. Cut it however you like it. You like to cube it. I just like this look today. So, and cilantro and a fruit of your choice. It could be apple or pear or cucumber, okay? And that's pretty simple to do. So I have that tossed together, and this is my dressing. So I'm gonna show you how to assemble this. This is just lemon juice and a little bit of sugar. Use a sugar of your choice. You could use coconut sugar, which I like to use coconut palm sugar. Much more healthier for you than white sugar. And something called chaat masala, which is available easily at Indian stores. Or if you don't have that and don't go out and buy a whole box, just add some cumin powder here, some salt, some chili powder, black pepper powder, and some red chili powder. And basically you will have something pretty close to a chaat masala. Or if you have black salt, add the black salt instead of white salt. Okay, so it's always good to know what to use if you don't have something and don't have to go running out. So I'm going to toss my salad a little bit just to show you all, because I like to keep this just about ready with the dressing at a much later time when I'm ready to serve. So I'm going to do a little bit now. And I always do this. I cut it apart and keep it aside, so it's so easy just before dinner or lunch or whatever time you're serving this, to make sure that you have this ready for that time. Add a few spoons of my dressing, which I've already whisked up. Very simple. It's such a simple, but believe me, it's amazing. So I have some sprouts, some homemade sprouts that I do every week. You can use store-bought or homemade, and I put that on top. Gives such a pretty color. And then I'm gonna garnish with some pomegranate, because we're in fall and pomegranate's in season, and I love using my seasonal vegetables. So look at this salad. How pretty is it? How easy it is. And take my word for it, I have served it to different people and they go like, oh my God, this is so yummy. And it's so simple. Anybody can do it. Use different things in season. If it's season for strawberries, you can garnish it with sliced strawberries. Right now, pomegranates are great and they're seasonal, so I use pomegranates right now this time of the year. But use anything that's in season, because that's what's really good for you. If you don't have sprouts, use some other kind. If you want to crunch, use some plantain chips. So anything like that will make your salads great, and it's just an amazing way to enjoy a healthy meal. And these raw vegetables and fruits are one of the best things you can do for you. The probiotics and the prebiotics together. This is what really helps your body absorb those good probiotics that you're taking. But you need to eat the healthy fruits and vegetables, and this is really an easy way to get them in. Use this as a side dish. I sometimes eat this as a meal and I'm done. So whatever works for you, but this is really a good way to eat your fruits and vegetables, and super tasty. Believe me, it's so easy. And the dressing, you don't have to get store-bought dressing. There's no oil in this. So try it out. Try it with different fruits and vegetables. I did it with papaya and most people loved it. So if papaya is not one of your favorite fruits, use apples, pears, cucumbers. I like using fruits and vegetables that are a little bit more on the firmer side. I don't like the soggy ones in my salad. So remember that. And I'm trying to think, oh, raw zucchini would be good. So anything like that would really work. So enjoy this salad and please follow us on our YouTube channel and go to our website for our classes. And we have wonderful recipes for you to see and enjoy.